today we are going to talk about accountability. Now, can somebody tell me what is accountability?
Sir, accountability is the willingness to accept responsibility.
Accountability is the willingness to accept the responsibility.
I think the responsibility to own one's actions.
Very close, very close. I'll give you another example to make you understand. Have you ever realized that when your mother is sick, still you get food to eat? होता है ऐसा? कभी मम्मी बीमार है, फिर भी आपको जो खाना होता है वो मिल जाता है, चाहे उसने बनाया ना नहीं बनाया, बट आपको खाना मिलता है. She will ensure that you get food on time because she is accountable. तो जब आप accountable होते हो तब आप हर वो चीज करने को तैयार हो जाओगे जिससे जो आपको आउटकम चाहिए वो आप कर पाओगे. Fathers are take care of the money part of it. Yes. Have you ever heard your father saying उसने ये नहीं किया, मार्केट अच्छा नहीं है इसलिए आपकी स्कूल की फीस नहीं भरी? नहीं होने वाला. He will ensure that the स्कूल की फीस टाइम पे चलेगी because he finds himself accountable for your studies. Now there is a famous saying which says, if you are born poor, it is not your mistake. But if you die poor, it is definitely your mistake. Accountability is much better than taking responsibility. आपकी कंपनी है अपनी, मान लो, और आपके पास 100 लोग काम कर रहे हैं, वो कंपनी का सक्सेस आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. यू कैन नॉट से मेरे लोगों ने काम नहीं किया, क्योंकि लोगों से काम कराना भी आपका काम है ना. शायद आपको लोगों से काम कराना नहीं है. So instead of blaming them, you have to understand where you have gone wrong so that we can correct it. You don't find faults with what is happening around you. You always look at what you could have done better. So दूसरों के imperfections देखने से अच्छा आप अपने imperfections देखो कि where is it that I could have improved. There are 4 pillars of accountability. Once you are running bigger organizations, आपके पास अपनी team है, so you will ensure, because outcome is yours na, you will ensure that people work accordingly so that outcome comes. Now how do you build this accountability? अभी ये 4 चीजें हैं: responsibility, answerability, trustworthiness and liability. We follow a schedule to feed the pets, assist with work in the garden, sweep, mop and vacuum, make our own bed. These are responsibilities, these are jobs which you take up. But let's take make your own bed. बराबर, ये आपकी responsibility है. अगर आप एक step आगे जाओगे, अगर आप accountability पे आओगे, so 365 days your bed will be clean. You will ensure that your bed is clean. When you take personal accountability, you are willing to answer for the outcome of your choices, your behaviors and actions in all situations in which you are involved. You do not blame others when things go topsy-turvy. And accountability goes beyond individual actions and decisions. If you are a leader and if you are an accountable leader, you will assume ownership for the performance of their team. You have to be honest. You have to leave your ego. You have to look at a bigger thing in life. Accountable leaders do not avoid any responsibility. They will not procrastinate and they do not under or overcome it. Finally, I am accountable for it. You are also ready to take other people's feedbacks, suggestions and improve on that. Because now you are open, you are honest. It can be my mistake. It has been my mistake. I am sorry. I can improve. What will be the benefit if you are honest about it, if you accept your mistakes, you are ready to improve? What will happen?
We will learn from our mistakes and one day we will be successful.
So we will start being more careful about things and more responsible.
You will start being more careful and you will take more responsibility.
So we'll depend less on others. We'll try to learn from our mistakes and we'll not try to procrastinate the things and we'll achieve the targets.
You are ready to improve. You don't procrastinate. You are honest about it. You accept mistakes and you are ready to learn. You are open. Now, अगर आपको डांट भी पड़ती है तो आप सोचोगे कि ये मेरे अच्छे के लिए. Individually you become better, but as a team you become better. So that is how accountability will help you in the longer term. So you should start building accountability around. So timing is also very important. I have done what I was supposed to do at the right time and उसका जो outcome आना चाहिए वो भी बराबर है.